Uh, Minister, is there an understanding among EU member states that the Union is significantly losing its credibility here in the Western Balkans by manifesting a lack of power, not being able to start accession talks with North Macedonia and Albania?
Well, I would say that an ongoing discussion, and we see this danger, absolutely, and we from the side of Austria, we want to start accession talks with North Macedonia and Albania. We even think it's overdue. We should have done already so in the past, and we are constantly working on this. As I always say, this is not the European backyard, as some people say. It's actually a European patio. It's surrounded by EU member states. There's no region which is more European than the Western Balkans. And we Austrians have very close ties, emotionally, humanly, economically, politically. So for us, it would be the most natural thing to have you as partners and full members in the European Union.
What about the credibility issue?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. This is an issue. I still believe that the majority of the member states absolutely stand behind the opening of accession talks. It's actually, I would say, nearly 26, if not 26 member states doing so. We are aware that there are issues, and I know the Portuguese presidency has worked very hard on these issues, and I have high expectations for the Slovenian presidency that it will continue these efforts. And I would still say for this region there's only one perspective, and it is a European one, because it's an European region. And for Europe as well, it's our self-interest. It's our self-interest to have the Western Balkans as full members of the European